Offering 16 different wash programs, this Logik washing machine makes it easy to find the best wash setting for your laundry. The 7 kg capacity gives you an abundance of room for all of your laundry, so it can handle large loads with complete ease. Thanks to the A++ energy rating and A-rated wash performance, you can save money on your bills and care for the environment without compromising on performance. The 15-minute quick wash completes a 2 kg load in just 15 minutes. It's perfect for small loads or washing an outfit that you need in a hurry. Keep whites looking clean and colours vibrant and fresh with this quality washing machine from Logik.